Hey guys. Well, there's an update for the truck. I'm gonna have to touch those up, I think. I was doing some paint work on it a little bit earlier. Well, at least it's more darker than it was. Next, I'm gonna have to deal with the roof. I hope you can see. Well, I can't really see. What's those paint chips here? All these little dents on the roof right here. And from last time I tried to do it, my little sprayer can thing was kind of giving me trouble. So I still got more I gotta do on it. I also did the side of the bed right there with primer. That was a while back though. You guys can tell the difference though. And that striping's getting worse on it. So, alright. I have other business to do and not that business. Not that business. But I'm having that need to do it. Probably had the carburetor rebuilt on it though. Trying to get it to run and well, yeah, they look like they're about that size. Well, it didn't want to idle with me, so I had to keep a little bit of pressure on the gas pedal so it just stay running. So, a later time. Guys, have a good day. Bye.